my name is Frank. I'm a student ministry director. I would give Collaboard a 2 out of 5 star rating. And for more reviews like this, click the links below. So I looked at a bunch of different software before switching to Collaboard, and Miro was probably the biggest one that I was looking at before switching. And the only reason why we switched was more due to pricing than features. So some of the biggest reasons why we chose Collaboard was just the different types of features that it allowed. It covered most of our basis of what we were trying to do. Over the pandemic, we had to jump into being a remote team. So this was really great for helping plan our meetings and to try to get our thoughts down together. It allowed different people to interact and vote on different sticky notes and ideas that we would post. And it would be a really great mind map for us as well. Collaboard was pretty easy to jump in and get integrated. It really allows a lot of different options for creating templates and creating different templates for meetings and different mind maps that you can do. Overall, it was pretty easy to jump in and to invite other users to get into the experience as well. It definitely has a lot less control of how you can administrate different experiences. So for bigger teams, I would say it's a little bit more challenging. But for our team, about 5 to 10, it has worked perfectly. I think some recommendations I would have if you're considering this software is to really understand what you really need. If you're looking for something that has all the bells and whistles, this software might not be for you. There's some definitely other competitors out there that are a little bit more expensive but have a little bit more features. But if you're looking for basic mind mapping, basic whiteboard ideas, this software works really, really well. It overall is very cost efficient. It has all the basic features that you're going to need in order to mind map and brainstorm together as a team. It's a great place to store all those things and be able to send them out to other people who might be wanting to see, hey, what did you talk about at that last meeting? Or what are some ideas coming up for the next quarter or the next budget year? So I would say this is a great software if you're looking for some basic features of having a great whiteboard or mind map online.